Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to play with my princess's hair. I'm going to show you guys how I give that shine and give life back to her hair. And yes, as you guys can see, I am taking these twists out, and I have to be very careful because the hair I used to twist her hair has almost the same length as her hair. So I have to be very careful not to cut her hair while I was cutting the tips of the twist. So yeah, I'm just taking the hair out, and I think this is baby twisting hair that I got from the beauty supply. I don't remember. I'm going to try and leave a picture on the screen if I can. Her hair has grew tremendously. Like, guys, I am telling you, her hair was not this long 3 months ago. But I'm going to share with you guys everything I've been using on her hair shortly. And here I am using a blade to cut the little rubber band that I usually use at the tip of her hair. And now I am just using this cream moisturizer and detangler to moisturize her hair. I usually just add a few drops in my warm water, mix it, shake it, and just put on a side, and use this kids detangler as well. Yes, I do use a lot of detangler on my daughter's hair because she is very tender-headed. She is very sensitive when it comes to doing her hair. She cries a lot, so I try to minimize the crying and the complaining, and I use a lot of moisturizer. And trust me when I say this has helped tremendously. So after applying that spray detangler on her hair, I just rub it all over the place, and then I just divide her hair in 3 little pieces so I can work better with it. Now you can do 4 pieces, it is up to you. After dividing her hair, I just grabbed that moisturizer cream we mixed earlier, and I just apply on her hair. And I also applied this homemade oil that I made as well. And I just apply, and I just start doing that magic, giving her hair that glow, the shining, and untangle, detangle, take all the little flies away out before I comb it. And yeah, after I'm done doing that, I use a brush. I think this is a denim brush, I believe. I don't know the name, I'm sorry, but I believe it is. And as you guys can tell, I started by brushing the tip of her hair, and I worked myself down to the roots. It is very important to do this because you don't want to go straight to the roots. You are going to hurt your child or yourself or damage your hair. So be very careful when you're doing this. Always start by the tip and work yourself down to the roots. And I did the same thing on the other side. I applied everything that you guys saw, the spray detangler, the mixed detangler and moisturizer, the oil, and then I just started brushing her hair, starting from the tip and working myself down. And as you guys can see, she was complaining. She was not very happy, but I was keeping her very busy with a little movie on my phone so she won't cry or pay attention. Now the back is very important because that's where her hair is mostly that's where she has a lot of hair. So I had to be very careful. So I usually start by detangling and pulling out all the little flies away and just untangling her hair. And then I sprayed everything. I didn't show that part, but I did spray everything, and I started brushing from the tip, and I worked myself down to the roots. And this is how I detangle my daughter's hair, and it works for us. She basically do not cry. So for the past 3 months, this is what I have been doing. And after doing this, I just put her hair in a ponytail and allow her hair to breathe for like a day or 2 before washing it and styling it again. And she barely cries. She may complain a little bit, but she is growing and her hair is growing. And I was just taking pictures. So yeah, guys, this is all I do. Thank you guys so much.
Love it. I love it too.
Yeah.
So say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And we'll see you guys next time, right? And next time mommy is gonna braid your hair. Yeah? Turn this way. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Puff, 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 puff. Look at that, princess.
Puff.
Yeah, puff.
It like had the bubbles.
I love you.
I love you too, mommy.
Oh. Will you put that phone down? Stop taking pictures. I'm trying to shoot a video. Hello? Are you listening to me?
No.
Why? I am going to smack that bum. Look at how Princess's hair is long, guys. Look this way, Mama. That way. Yeah, look that way. Look at that, guys. Whoa. Look this way. This way. Whoa. Look at her smiling.